Hi guys, this is Ravina here. This video is for kids or beginners who want to try out Impressionist art. Even adults who want to learn a new hobby, try different techniques in paintings can try this. It doesn't matter how good your sketching is, you just have to try and capture the form as accurately as you can. Things to note while doing Impressionist art is to try and capture the play of light. Secondly, apply colors in small brush strokes. Another thing to note is the colors have to be bright. And the other thing is to create shadows by mixing different color tones rather than using the black color directly. In most Impressionist art, you will see the shadow is done with blue color tones. Just start filling colors in without blending them. Use short brush strokes. Keep on filling all the different color tones, and as you start covering more area, you will start to see the painting come alive. Try and observe where the light is falling and try to portray the same in the painting. When trying to capture an image, you have to try and observe very closely all the different color tones. Sometimes one shade, say of pink, will have different color tones to it. For example, it may have a tone of purple to it. Or even in a green, you might see the color blue in it, or you might see the reflection of the lotus in it. You have to try to capture all the different colors to create a vibrant painting. As the colors are filling, you can see that the image is coming together. And as you can see, I'm not blending the colors and I'm just applying the paint in thick small brush strokes. The colors I'm using are acrylics, though y'all can use posters, oil pastels, or even pencil colors, whatever you're comfortable with. Hope you liked the video. Please do comment with what other art movements would y'all like to see a demo on. And do like the video and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.